Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. You're probably wondering why I bought 2 pool noodles. And the reason is simpler than you think. Just glancing around here in the garage, it's probably similar to a lot of your guys' garages. You know, there's not a lot of wall space. I mean, you guys use it for storage, for parts, you know, lawn furniture, you know, just essential garage stuff. But with spring coming up, that means you want to take your Jeep doors off. And I mean, I can't blame you. It's nice weather. You just want to rip those things off. Let's be honest. Not everybody has. I mean, I have a little bit of space back here, but not a ton. But the nice spring weather means that you want to take the doors off your Jeep. And if you have a garage like mine, that means you don't have a lot of wall space, which means it's not really that great of an idea to get wall hangers for your Jeep doors. And I know there's a few different types. There's some that hang, you know, by, you know, the top of the window frame, and then there's some that go where the hinges, you know, mount to the Jeep. Both fairly common solutions. But if you don't have a lot of wall space like me, and especially when there is a car actually pulled into the garage, I don't have a lot of space on this wall in front of the car. So wanting to take your Jeep doors off in the spring means you can't just hang them up on the wall with the door hangers you see all over Amazon, you know, all over the internet. A lot of companies make different brands, different styles to hang your doors on walls, you know, in your garage, or, you know, what have you. But again, not all of us have the space, which leaves us to take the doors off and set them on the ground, inside in a living room or something, which means the bottom of your doors are prone to, you know, getting nicks, chipping the paint, and, you know, ultimately rusting. But for $2, you can buy one of these pool noodles to fix that problem. So literally all you're gonna do is take it, measure it against the door, get the right size, and then cut down the center like a hot dog bun. Then you go to take your Jeep door off. Just put it right along the bottom. Now you don't have to worry about scratching or nicking or chipping the paint on the bottom of your $50,000 Rubicon. Modern day problems require modern day solutions. But seriously guys, look at how simple that is. Literally just cut it on pool noodle, hot dog style, and then you can see for the rear, it's a little bit smaller because we used the bigger section for the front here. One pool noodle will be perfect for one side. So that's why I bought 2 of these. Now don't get me wrong, if you do have the space on your wall, I highly recommend the door hangers. I mean, I think they work perfectly and they look dope, but I did only spend $4 to do this, and most wall hangers are like $10 to $20, so. We did get this package in today too. This is also something that we've been needing for the Jeep. So what these are from Road Armor, these are to fix a minor problem that I have. Because I have the LED group upgrade on the JL, the turn signals here, they flash normal, but you'll see when I put the blinker on, it flashes really fast in here. But on the outside, it flashes normal. So it's just a small problem. It doesn't bother me too much, but they did send this harness to fix that issue because of the LED group that was in fact in my JL from the start. But if you have the halogen and you order these flares, don't really expect to get these. I think they'll work just fine. This is only, apparently from what I'm being told, for the LED group. This is why you wire things really nicely so you can easily find everything, because I have the under fender liners blocks my access to where it would normally plug in for these turn signals, but I wired it up nice and neat right here behind the fender. Alright, let's see if that solved the issue here. And there you go. After letting it run for a few seconds, it switched back to the normal speed. So there you have it, guys. Easy day today. Showed you a little trick on how to save your doors if you don't have any space to put your doors up on door hangers in your garage. I'll link some pool noodles below. You can get them on Amazon for really cheap. And I'll also link some door hangers below. So you guys, if you do have space on your wall, go ahead, go for it. I think they're sweet. They really clean the look, but you gotta have the space for them. And then of course we fixed the blinker issue that we were having. Slight issue, not a big deal, but just like that, simply solved. So I just have to zip tie this wiring on either side back up into the engine bay, and we are good to go. We will call it a night. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a big thumbs up, leave some comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, guys, we will catch you in the next one.